Hey guys, today we're taking a closer look at one of Huawei's newest flagship phones, the Huawei Pura 90 Pro Max. This phone comes packed with some seriously impressive specs, from a massive 200 megapixel camera, a huge battery, and a premium design that really stands out. So in this video, we're going to break everything down, from design, display, camera, all the way to performance and battery life. Let's get into it. Starting off with the design, the Huawei Pura 90 Pro Max really gives off a premium feel. It comes with a glass front and back, combined with an aluminum frame, which makes it feel solid in the hand. The phone measures 8.1 millimeters thick and weighs around 230 grams, so yeah, it's not exactly light, but that's expected for a phone this powerful. Another interesting thing is the IP68 and IP69 rating, which means it's resistant to dust and water, even high-pressure water jets. So durability-wise, this phone is definitely built to last. Moving on to the display, this phone comes with a large 6.9-inch LTPO OLED panel. It supports 1 billion colors and 120 Hz refresh rate, so scrolling and animations feel super smooth. The resolution is 1308 by 2880, which results in a very sharp display with great detail. Plus, it also supports HDR Vivid, making colors pop even more when watching videos. On top of that, Huawei uses Kunlun glass protection along with an anti-reflective coating, so the screen should be more durable and easier to see under bright light. Now, let's talk about one of the biggest highlights, the camera. The Huawei Pura 90 Pro Max features a 3-camera setup. The main camera is a 50-megapixel sensor with a variable aperture from 1.4 to 4.0, which helps in different lighting conditions. Then there's a massive 200-megapixel telephoto camera with 4x optical zoom, which is seriously impressive for long-distance shots. And lastly, a 40-megapixel ultra-wide camera for capturing more in one frame. For video, it supports 4K recording along with HDR Vivid and Gyro EIS for stabilization. So overall, this camera setup is definitely built for both photography and videography. On the front, you get a 13-megapixel ultra-wide selfie camera. It's great for group selfies and also supports 4K video recording. So for content creators or casual users, this should be more than enough. Now, in terms of performance, the Huawei Pura 90 Pro Max is powered by the Kirin 9030S chipset. It runs on HarmonyOS 6.1, which is Huawei's own operating system. For memory, it comes with options up to 16 gigabytes of RAM and up to 1 terabyte of internal storage. So multitasking, gaming, and heavy usage should feel smooth without issues. Battery life is another strong point here. The phone packs a huge 6,000 mAh battery, which should easily last a full day or even more. For charging, it supports 100-watt wired charging and 80-watt wireless charging, which is incredibly fast. There's also reverse wired and reverse wireless charging, so you can even charge other devices with this phone. For connectivity, the phone supports 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 6.0, and NFC. It also comes with an infrared port, which is pretty useful for controlling devices like TVs or AC. So, overall, the Huawei Pura 90 Pro Max is a flagship phone that focuses on powerful camera performance, a large display, and a massive battery. It's designed for users who want a premium experience with strong all-around capabilities.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech content. See you in the next video.